Kaya nag-English ako sa kanya, tapos biglang nagtagalog. Hindi ko sana eh.
Can't wait to meet him here.
The video for Cebu. Really? They loved it, man.
Yun ba yun sa Department of Color?
Jason Marvin.
Jason Marvin.
Yeah, Emaratino.
Maratino.
Yeah.
Just coming together.
I know.
For the breakfast, just catching up.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's sit down. Let's get to know each
Yeah,
other.
yeah.
Boss, andito tayo ngayon. Kung nasan kayo?
Meron pa siyang, may sinulatan siya. Ano yung, kailan yung nirelease yung kay Catriona?
Sa 28.
Ah, hindi pa release yun.
So Jason,
Sa ano?
purong Pinoy ka talaga. Yes.
Wow.
You don't have any roots, Arabic roots, right?
So,
Mukha mo siya na.
Why you don't have any roots, Arabic?
I don't know. Nanda rin ito.
Ang funny
Kaso wala eh, ano lang ako. Pure Bulakenyo.
Bulacan.
Both of my parents are from Bulacan.
Yes.
Ano talaga sila, Tagalog talaga ako.
Saan sa Bulacan?
Kaya nag-English ako sa kanya, tapos biglang nagtagalog. Hindi ko sana eh.
Nasa utak
English
mo,
muna
hindi.
ako, diba sa phone, diba? Hi, you wanna check out my studio? For sure. I have a friend, I'm from UAE, sabi ko sa girl, log in first. Just write your name. This is our humble studio. This is my
Nahirapan siya
studio.
talaga.
Tapos bigla rin Tagalog.
Sabay biglang nagtagalog. Umuwi ka na. Natawag ko sa kanya si Raulo.
So yung tawag dito, si Raulo. Ang tawag dyan, hayop.
Ayun.
Talaga niya nag-English. Yung mula,
Talaga?
talaga! Siya mag-akyat hanggang sa
In-tour ko na sila. This is our Saitama, this is our studio.
Sobrang English na English.
Bro,
May
ano lang eh.
Ah!
Sabi ko sa kanila, I only brought 2 kilos of Englishes. I already spent 1.5 kilos. I'm struggling with a half kilo. Sabay biglang. Sabi ko naman, uwi ka na.
Alam niya?
Yan nagtatagalog?
Nagtatagalog siya?
Kasi sabi mo
Ikaw yun eh, ikaw sa mo. Hindi kasi gusto ko na siya ma-prank, nag-video tayo.
Pero malay mo, malay mo.
Pero kahit may nagtatagalog ka, pure English yan. Because he's practicing his, you know, spoken in dialect.
What's his second name?
Drilon.
Drilon, huh?
Drilon.
Drilon?
Drilon.
Drilon, huh?
Can't wait to meet him here. You know, my mum's is from England and my father from Coventry. I've got a bit of language. You need some water, please, yeah?
Nalabanan ka na rin. Alam mo, matatakot mo siya doon.
Galing niya?
Hindi panis ka doon. You know, pumusta ako, panis to doon. Hindi ako pa nag-English mo, bro.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up, bro?
Oh, long time.
Both English only, ah.
Hey, Jesus, bro.
I'm sorry, yeah. It's okay. Pugi pa rin. Parang bugoy na bugoy.
Finally we meet you, man. How are you doing? Okay.
Sit down there, Boogs.
Please.
Ano yun? English daw.
How are you,
English yung,
man?
oh.
How are you?
Hindi, nagtagalog siya. Sabi ko mapanis sa'yo yan. Pagkala niya kasi ma-intimidate. So you know how? Diba? Panis ka dyan! Panis ka dyan!
You've been practicing your Tagalog.
Yeah.
I've been practicing my English, so we're reversed.
Seriously, it's great to meet you.
But I really thank you for giving me some of your time. What?
I love it.
Galing nun ah!
I know how to converse too.
Wow.
Sometimes I put it in my. Walang converse pala yun.
Na-nosebleed na ako sa English. Tagalog na lang tayo para.
So what is your ethnicity? Like, are you half Filipino or?
Ethnicity.
I love it. I love it.
They want authenticity.
Bakit naaalala ka? Di ko malimot-limot ang sa atin ay nagdaan. Kung nagtatampo ka ay kailangan bang ganyan? Tining ang dahilan at ako ay pagbigyan.
Oh, taas ka.
Ibibigyan muli sa ating pagmamahalan. Lipas natin tila pa kailan lang. Gagali sa'yo, patawad ang pagsamo ko. Ikaw na at ako.
Everybody
You can
Look at that, man.
No, you're magaling. Your voice is
Ganito
higher
ganda
than
naisip
mine.
ko sa coffee shop,
Gusto
eh.
buo.
Gusto ano lang, purong auditions lang.
I'm still learning, but I've been singing your songs as well, man. But the more singing songs that I have is Bakit Ba Ikaw, man. It's like,
Kasi binayaran mo siya eh.
it's like
Kasi every time na
all
may
the time.
kakantay ka, bakit ba ikaw lang, 2-5 lagi yan pag nakakanta. So, wow. Then you collect a lot. So you, I saw this on TikTok. I saw you before on TikTok.
Pero usually,
man.
marinig
You're
ko every
famous.
hapon.
Why am I here? I'm gonna go home now.
بفق عليك تقول لي تم وتقول حاضر يا غناتي لاني غرامك حيل مغرم اشتاق اشوفك يا شفاتي رفق عليك تقول لي تم.
Wow!
You see that?
It's really a song. Yeah.
It's
That's
really-
chalet.
But I wasn't doing like. بودعك يا الظنا انا وبخليك لي الله وانت الله خليك.
Wow! Very hard. Then the last part, can you, the last part, can you, can you go?
اوكي تسرح وتمرح وتشوف السعادة كده. اوكي تسرح وتمرح
Parang nakakasar.
That kind of rip is really hard. Bakit ba ikaw?
ayusin mo ito kaya mo yan.
Again.
Ooh.
La 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 li la.
La li la la la
La li la.
Naging 1D.
Friday, corned beef kind of.
May kamay na aakay, may pusong nakakalinga. Lahat kakayanin ko, sama-sama tayo, sama-sama tayo.
But one smile from someone can light the darkest way. When we stand together, our hearts grow stronger.
Ganda. So nice.
Kailan niya yan? Paborito ko sa lahat ng kanta niya. Gusto ko lang.
So nice,
Pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata.
Nagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yan. Sabay natin.
Di ba't sinabi sa'yo
Ipaglalaban ko, tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. I